All right, we're over here at Kirk's house, taking my son Ian down to the lake here, doing a little fishing. Bluegill are in on their beds, but there's also crappie and bass down there. So just gonna do a little fishing. Just gonna put the GoPro on my chest strap here and try and get some action. Mostly gonna let Ian reel everything in. So see what happens. Well, you think he's gonna catch all the fish before you get to? No. No?
That's mine fishing. The purple one?
Yeah, I don't know, we'll see. Oh, water's pretty high, huh?
That's mine fishing boat.
Wish we had some worms for you, bud.
But then these bobbers are acting.
Bobbers or something.
Bobbers are really good at fishing.
Let's throw a rubber worm on here. Bluegill will bite that.
A rubber worm?
A rubber worm.
I didn't know I ate rubber worms. The muffins like rubber worms. Where's the rubber? You got some.
Got one? Look at that. Here.
Oh, that's a worm.
Grab it. Yeah.
It's so funny.
Ooh, see a bluegill.
Is that one?
Nope, I just seen one jump. Looks like he's hungry for a worm.
Bobby did a bluegill with a worm.
Probably. If you don't catch a bluegill here, there's something wrong.
Mm.
They're right up close on their beds here.
That bed's underwater.
Yep. That's where they have their
Have the
babies. Yep.
The sticks.
They clear a little spot out. It makes a little sandy spot.
Oh, I just saw a little one, a baby fish. And a baby bluegill.
A baby bluegill.
Yeah, this one.
Might have to just put a small hook on. I was hoping this hook would be all right for the bigger ones, but
I just saw two colors.
here, reel them in. Reel them in. Ooh, okay, that's good. Pick him up.
Is that it? That's a lion.
What?
I got one.
You didn't catch that.
Yes, I did. I dashed it all by myself.
Here. Give him a kiss. You want to throw him in?
Yeah.
He'll flop around.
He goes to me.
Did he?
Yeah.
They have pokies. You guys might recognize this lake. This is where we were out ice fishing earlier this year. I got a couple videos on there. One of Ian. Yeah. Where did you catch that bass? Where were you? Right out there in the middle?
Yeah. In my belly.
Here. This one feels like a big one. Hold. Put your hand up here. There you go. And put that right in your belly. That one feel bigger?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's heavier.
That looks like a good one. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Okay.
Oh, that's, I'm not gonna roll him in. That's a Brian.
Sure you don't want to give him a kiss?
No. I don't like this. This one. This Bobby is the box.
Ooh, that water's chilly.
And this one's coming too. Through the little hole.
Here you go. Here you go. Here's a big one. Hold up higher. There you go. Just like that. Keep reeling. Keep reeling. Get him out of that brush. Oh, yeah.
I'm a lion. That's the bigger in my lasso. Put him in. How do I hold him?
Take your thumb. Put it just like that. They don't have teeth. Pinch it. You know, hold it up. Hold up the camera. Show them your fish. Okay, go ahead and throw it back in. I got one biting it right here.
Is that the movie? If that works. I want fire.
Hold on. Let's catch one more on this and then we'll... Oh, I just caught one right there.
I'm joking.
My hook fell in the water.
These orange and
Oh my gosh. Making a mess here, bud.
Lucas. No, I just have rabbit. I want the rubber one.
Hold on, hold on. You'll probably catch more on the real worm. Here.
If it sinks, that's probably a good one. Oh, I see one. That's all a baby thing.
Think one's got it? Reel up, see if one's on there.
Bobby was a baby playing with it.
A baby playing with it?
That's a good one.
That's a good cast? You think so? Okay, you go ahead.
I think that's the first one I thought. Oh,
You yanked so hard it ripped him right out of the water. Look at it.
Yeet!
Yeet.
Daddy, what fish eat?
What's these fish? What are these fish eating?
Worms?
Worms. Worms, bugs, other fish. Reel, 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 reel. Does that feel big?
Yeah.
Keep reeling, keep reeling. Keep reeling, a little more. Reel a little more. Reel some more.
That's a big one.
Oop, he barely had him hooked.
I'm hungry.
I think we can catch one more on this little piece of worm. Let's get him back in the water. Hang on.
I'm not in the water.
Go flip him in there. Okay, here you go. Watch that bobber. If the bobber doesn't move, if it sits there still for a little bit, you can reel a couple times just to move it. That helps move the worm around so the fish see it. There you go. Now you gotta reel up that slack line. Reel, reel, okay, okay.
Daddy, I'm gonna move it over there.
Yeah, but now you got all that slack line. See how it's slack and goes right down to the water?
Okay.
You gotta reel it so it's tighter. Reel until your bobber moves. Reel, 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 reel. Keep reeling. Right like that. Okay. Now just hold still. Our little chunk of worm might have came off. You keep watching your bobber. I'll go get a new worm for you. Reel a little bit. You got him. Reel him in. Oh, he got off. Let's get it over past the stump. Oh, he is still on there. Just a baby.
I want to throw the baby in. Because I like it. I like babies.
He shot right out of my hand. Yeet.
This was a baby. Daddy, I thought babies like Are this small?
They are. That one's not a baby, but it's just a little one.
Wait, you just start with a bed.
The real baby, yep. Just like you.
Bobby him boy like you.
Do you think he's 4? Probably not quite 4.
Bobby him like
Okay, watch. Be ready.
C.
Okay, we'll go with that. Watch it. Go ahead and reel it some. Reel it a couple more times. There you go. Reel it, reel it. Keep reeling.
I think that's the balance. That's a Bobby balance. That's definitely a balance.
Hold that pole.
I don't want hold balance. I want hold babies. I like holding babies. Oh, that's just a teenager.
Yeah.
I'll be a teenager. I don't like
Reel it in a little bit.
Yeet. Oh, I see bubbles right there.
Yeet.
I want those
Yeah.
little bubbles.
Yeet 'em. Yeet. Nice job.
That was fast.
It was fast.
I only like doing the deads and babies. That's the fun. It's good.
Ooh. Yeet.
Yeet.
I swear you get better bites on these tiny chunks of worm than you do a whole worm.
Like a bass. Eddie, if I'm like, oh, like a worm, like a whopper worm or something, or a normal worm, that's probably gonna get a bass.
You think so? Here. He's already on there. Just start reeling. Reel, reel, reel. Gotta keep him out of the woods. There you go. Man, they are hungry. They are sucking that hook right down. Making it tough to get them out. Here, can I kiss him? Yeah, I just can't get you to kiss one, can I?
No, I don't like this much. Done this one before.
Gwen kissed one before? Yeah, she's a little goofy.
Yeah, remember that day when this was on that big blue boat?
Yup.
And then this vampire that. Which one? You or vampire?
I don't remember. You remember it better than I do.
I think it was vampire.
Probably.
Well,
I remember doing it, but
me too. But I don't remember which one.
you need to work on remembering those details.
No. Why? Why? Why, Daddy?
Because I can't remember any of them.
Me either.
Whoa, dude. You almost went in face first.
But I didn't with my clothes on.
Whoa.
That is you.
I think that was you.
Yeah, that was you. I want to go back in the house.
Okay.
Because you said one more animal.
Oh, Uncle Brian should have quit.
So, I'm going.
Here, bud. Here. Big one.
One more.
What do you got?
I don't know. That's a good one. Reel him. Don't let go of that pole. That's a monster bluegill.
What is that?
That's just a huge bluegill.
think it's this fat.
Oh my gosh.
I think it's
That's
this
ridiculous.
fat. I think it's this fat.
Hey. Oh my gosh.
Let's not eat that one.
Nope.
But I need like a bucket. Water. Let's stab it with a knife.
No, we're not gonna eat him. We'll let him go. I gotta get this hook out of his mouth.
Die!
Oh yeah, that's always nice. There we go. He was barely hooked inside there. I don't know if I have my tape measure. I'd like to measure him. Oh yeah, there it is.
How big is it?
I don't know. He's a pretty good one.
How big? 11 feet?
11 feet. Yep, that's what you gotta tell everybody. True fisherman.
I got that all by myself.
And you wanted to go back to the house.
Yeah, but I didn't know if some of the big ones. Still have 2 big ones. What is that?
Just a shade over 11. Ian, I think that's a Masterangler, bud. Pretty sure you only need 10 inches.
Put it in the water now.
That's a pretty good one.
Daddy, I want to see the video.
Oh, look at it when we get home, bud.
Home?
He's gone.
Home?
Yeah, tomorrow we'll look at it.
No, I thought we was back.
They don't have the computer to look at it on. Are you done? Or you want to try and catch another big one? Right there. Perfect. He wants to longer bite. Cast it back out. I do that now and say I'm fishing for bite.